Today is Saturday, January 11th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Deville and Deville convertible front fender spear molding. This is the chrome-plated pot metal cast unit. This can go on the left-hand driver's side, as is visible on this side. And it's reversible and can be mounted on the right-hand passenger side as well. Okay, this is a nice driver's quality unit. It has not been re-chromed. It's the original original hexavalent chrome. I'll go ahead and remove it from the shipping board that I've created for proper shipping and safe shipping. And the 4 prongs have been fused to the body. Ready to accept the mounting nuts. So they'll go through the existing 4 holes of the fender as such, and the threaded nuts will be attached for permanent fastening. So I'm going to go ahead and send this video to Joanne Silva and Billy Romano. They can review it, make sure that the quality is in alignment with their expectation. This is a driver quality unit. It has not been re-chromed. It can be re-chromed if show qualities required for the car. Okay, so today is January 11th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1969-1970 Cadillac Deville, and I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels and steering columns. Today's Saturday, January 11th. Thank you very kindly.